Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shadrach and I want us to look at some pairs I want us to look at NAS 100 and US30 and US 500. Yes guys, it has been long since I shared the video, so guys I want to do some analysis with you guys. So this is NAS 100 and USD, not USD but US30 and US500. So I'll be sharing the analysis with you. So before I start doing it, I want to welcome those guys. We are still growing. We are almost heading to 500 subscribers. So guys, continue subscribing to the channel. For the new members, this is the right channel to be. You will learn from then how you will get out, you will learn how to do it by yourself. You will learn, guys. So I'm going to start with the Nasdaq, and we are going to start with the weekly time frame. So guys, this is the weekly. With the weekly, I'm going to mark the lows and the highs. So this is an high, right? So you have also like this one. You also have something like this level is very important, and then we have something like this one, the lowest low. So that is the lowest low. We have other points like this one over here. So guys, you can see very well Nasdaq has been selling, and the drop is very corrective, meaning we'll be having an impulse move to the upside, but we don't know when it is the day. So this is it. It is in a downtrend. Okay, so this is what I mean by a downtrend. Yeah, so this is a downtrend. Nasdaq is still selling to somewhere. Yeah, so that is it. Maybe we move to daily. This is the daily time frame. Okay, looks nice. So daily, I'm going to, so let me adjust my trade lines. So that is it. We also have something like, yeah, right. So this is the daily time frame, guys. So in the daily, we are still in a downtrend. The market is still dropping, and you can see we had an corrective move. Okay, let me show you this one over here. To me, this one is a corrective move. This move is very corrective. So after every corrective move, we should have an impulse to the downside, which is this one. And currently we are correcting. It's correcting. So this is the correction I'm talking about over here. So now this one being the correction, I'm going to delete this one, then delete this one. Yeah, so we are going to deal with the current market price. So we have this correction over here, which is so I will use this one to show you the points, right? So this is it. Yes, very nice. So we are currently in a very in a strong resistance level currently. So from here I'm going to move to the daily, but the hourly, hour 4. You can see guys, the move to the upside, this move over here was very corrective, meaning the market will be selling anytime from now. So this is it. It's a channel, an ascending channel in a bearish, okay, in a downtrend, right? So it broke the channel. to the downside, and currently it's still selling. So it formed a double top, this one over here. So I'm expecting this pair to drop at least to complete the 90% of this channel, right? So this is it. Why am I saying this? It's because we had an impulse move from here. So this was an impulse, a corrective move, very corrective channel to the upside. This was a very corrective channel. Then I'm expecting a drop which is very strong after this. So we may move to our one. Maybe we'll get something to, yes. Okay, from here I can see a flag, a bearish flag, which confirms a continuation of sales, and I can see a double top from here. So this is a double top, and it is currently in the neckline of this double top. So there is a high probability of this market drop from there to the 90 of this channel, right? So that is it for Nasdaq. Move to US30. Very simple. So US30, we are going to start with a daily to make it simpler. So this is it. You can see, guys, we are in a down trade and we are very corrective. The market is very corrective. So in a down trade, I'll show you by this one, drawing the trade lines. Yes. So that is it. Then I have this one over here, a lower low. Then we moved to a higher high. Okay, looks like, yeah, it is nice now. So guys, from here I will be moving to H4. So this is the daily time frame. So we move to H4. Maybe we'll get something to confirm our sales. Maybe, I don't know, but it looks nice. It might sell. So we have this high over here. This one. This that high. Okay. So we also have this high, which was broken to the upside. Yeah, from there I can't see anything good, so we move to H1. I'm seeing something from, don't know whether it's clear, but it is something like a wedge, a rising wedge on the top of this thing. So this is it, right? So with this pair, maybe we should wait for this pair to break this level. Break, then retests. So we might have something like, we wait for this market to drop, then retest the level, then we can now sell. It's not good, yeah, doesn't look well, but we might also have, there is also a possibility this one to be a correction. For me, something like an expanding type of structure to the upside. Okay, this thing here over here, so we might have a extension over here, and this market might shoot to this level. Yeah. Why? Because we had, it might retest this zone, this support, then buy to this level. Reason being, this one over here, this is a correct, it's an impulse move. After the impulse, now this one becomes the correction. After this correction, we expect an impulse move, which might be to the, we might target to the trend line, guys. So that is it for, so there is high probability of USD that US30 to buy, yes, if it retraced there, if it fails to break this support, and also if it breaks the support, there is high probability of it to sell after the retest. So that is it. So we move to US500, US500, the rush. So that is it. We start from the daily. It's almost the same thing, so it's not very difficult to do. So we have this one, the highest high, then drop. Wow, looks nice. So we also have something like this one over here. Alright, so this thing is still dropping. Yes, that is it. We had an impulse move to the downside. Now currently we are dropping correctively, and we have a very strong resistance over here. So that is it. So we have something like that one. Okay, let's move to daily, not to H4. You can see, guys, this thing is still corrective. We have a channel which is moving to the upside. This thing over here. So guys, for me, doing the analysis doesn't mean that the market should move the way I did. It's just an analysis, not an entry. I'm not giving entries on the market. You wait for confirmations for the pattern to complete, for the complete formation of a pattern, then you will know the next move of the market. So don't just follow whatever I'm doing. It's, you learn, it's for you to learn. Yeah, so this thing, if it breaks this level, we have a strong a minor support over there. So if it breaks that support, then we should expect something like an inverted head and shoulder, right? Something like this. So we expect it to form an inverted, not an inverted, but head and shoulder. Yeah. And also you can see we have in a double top at this level, at the point of resistance. So we have a double top. This one might be the neckline. Also it might be the next move to the next leg of an of the head and shoulder. So this market might drop to a point. Yeah, might drop. Yeah, so US30 and US500 and Nasdaq 5 Nasdaq 100, we might have a drop. Yeah, we might have, it might sell, they might sell for long, because we are still in a down trend. From daily, from the other time frames, we are still selling. So this is the first target of this pair. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you for you being in the channel, and we are going to move. Next time I will teach something. I have to teach something on patterns, how to, and I want to teach about patterns. Everyone to know how to read the patterns, then I know you will be good. So that is it for today. Continue success.